Hi everyone, welcome to Pam Live. I'm just going to let people join for a few minutes. We'll let everyone join. When you join, say hi. Tell me where you're from. I'm guessing because of the time, we're probably all going to be UK based. I don't know, some of our friends abroad, this time isn't great for them. We're just going to take a phone case off, so please ignore us for a second. Okay. Is that better?
Yep.
Okay.
Someone from Israel.
Oh wow.
Belfast.
Hi. Israel, Belfast. Hiya.
Sorry, 1 second.
Okay, plug in the phone in so we don't lose you.
Sheffield, Glasgow,
Goodness
South
me.
London. Whoop whoop.
Well, thank you so much everyone for joining me on your Sunday afternoon. I really appreciate it. Not that there's much else that we could all be doing at the moment, is there?
Croatia, London, Blackpool, near Blackpool.